Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we have very interesting concept and on that we are going to do the assignment. What is the concept here? Retreating southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. What is the concept? Retreating southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. What is retreating monsoon? You might have already learned what is retreating monsoon, what is southeast monsoon. So let me have a quick recapitulation. Southeast monsoon, no, southwest monsoon, okay, southwest monsoon, it travels in the month of June, July, August, September, okay, it travels from the southern to the western part and it takes a U-turn towards the west direction and covers some part of the east part of Maharashtra, Karnataka and directly goes towards the eastern sisters, leaving some part of the coastal regions of the east direction, okay. And this all happens in the month of June and in summer season, and during that moment the wind blows from sea to land, and get southwest monsoon. Coming to retreating monsoon, by the time the wind travels to the northern hemisphere, here in the northern hemisphere it is the month of September, it is a winter season, okay. And during winter season what happened, the wind takes a U-turn, and travels towards the southern direction. From the southern it takes a U-turn in the northern hemisphere, again it comes down. Why it comes down? There is lot of pressure in the northern hemisphere due to the winter season. The cold winds from the Himalayas, it pressurizes in that particular region and travels to the southern direction. And during this period, the coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu get rainfall. Okay. So, when the wind takes a U direction, so that is called retreating monsoon, and during the retreating monsoon the wind travels from land to sea. Listen careful children, in retreating monsoon the wind travels from land to sea, and whereas in southwest monsoon the wind travels from sea to land. This is the difference. So, let us do the assignment right now. Complete the paragraph with suitable phrases. Complete the paragraph with suitable phrases. What is the phrases? Suitable words. So, let us read, let us begin this. In the month of September, the dash part of India causes the dash. In the month of September, the dash part of India. So, which part of India? The northern part of India. So, the answer here is northern. The northern part of India causes the dash winds. Causes which winds? Causes the cold winds. Causes the cold winds to cross over the dash. So, here I said in the northern hemisphere due to the Himalayas. So, wind crosses over the dash, wind crosses over the Himalayas. And move towards the south of dash plateau. What I said? From the north, the wind take a U-turn and come down to the south. So, here what happened? Himalayas and move towards the south of dash plateau. What you have in the southern plateau? You have Deccan plateau. So, the answer here is Deccan plateau. So, what is this all process? This process is known as dash monsoon. This process is known as dash monsoon. So, what is this all process? This process is all nothing but retreating monsoon. The answer is retreating. This all process is called retreating monsoon. We have other name for retreating monsoon because the wind travels from north to east direction. So, even it is called as northeast monsoon also. And it also known as dash monsoon, it also known as northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon, retreating monsoon and northeast monsoon both are same. So, I hope this is very clear to you, the concept. Now, let us continue. During this process, the wind blows from dash to dash. What I said? In retreating monsoon, the wind blows from land to sea. So, here what we are going to write? Land to sea. During this process, the wind blows from land to sea. Land to sea. And brings rain in the month of dash to dash month. So, here when we just compare the southwest monsoon, the process starts in the month of June. Okay. So, by the time it travels to the north, it will be the winter there. So, here the winter season in the northern hemisphere starts from October to January. So, the wind takes place, the whole process takes place in the month of October to January. October to January. Okay. So, this is the paragraph which you have learned the concept on retreating and northeast monsoon. Both are same actually. I hope this is very clear. So, in retreating monsoon, the wind travels from land to sea and the month of October to January. Okay, this is a whole process here. But compared to southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon gets more rainfall compared to the northeast monsoon. I hope this is very clear for you. Let us go for the next slide. We have some assignment here. Let me read for you. Observe the political map of India and shade the region which experience northeast monsoon. Observe the political map of India and shade the region which experience northeast monsoon. So, which part of India experience northeast monsoon? Okay. So, when we talk about southwest monsoon, the wind travels from here. Okay, it just come here and travels here like this and covers this part and directly goes to the Seven Sisters. Okay, leaving some parts here, leaving this part. What is this part? The coastal Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, coastal Tamil Nadu. Here in coastal Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and coastal Tamil Nadu, in the month of October and November, these coastal regions experience heavy rainfall. Okay, and here what I said, in northeast monsoon only the 20% of rain occurs in India, and compared to the southwest monsoon 80 other percent. So, India is blessed with both the monsoons. Okay, that is the reason it is called as agriculture country. So, let us shade which regions covers the northeast monsoon. It is coastal Odisha, it is coastal Andhra Pradesh and coastal Tamil Nadu. These are the regions which experience northeast monsoon. Is it clear, children? Practice this map. You have ample sample question papers and mapping skills for practice. Practice thoroughly the map so that you are perfect with the concept. Make a habit of reading the textbook. Thank you, children. Thanks a lot.